All hand tools and power tools can be dangerous if both general and specific safety guidelines are not followed strictly. Today's topic will be focused on abrasive tools. What are abrasives? An abrasive is a small, hard particle with sharp edges and an irregular shape. Abrasives can be used in a variety of ways, especially for materials or surfaces that need buffing, sanding, grinding, or polishing. The use of abrasive tools ranges from the fine finishing applications to heavy-duty cutting. Abrasive materials have classifications. First is natural abrasives. Examples are the calcite, diamond, iron oxide, sand, sandstone, and powdered feldspar. There's also synthetic abrasives such as borazon, ceramic, aluminum oxide, dry ice, glass powder, steel abrasive, silicon carbide, and slags. Bonded is also an abrasive classification. It is generally contained with some kind of matrices, such as clay, resin, or rubber, and then shaped into wheels or blocks. Another classification is coated. Sandpaper is the most commonly used coated abrasive and is affixed to a backing material, such as paper or metal. There are also miscellaneous applications for abrasives, such as sandblasting, which makes use of materials like metal pellets, sand, or glass beads. Cleaning products that contain a mild form of abrasive for cleaning floors, pots, pans, and other surfaces. Let's talk about abrasive machining process. With bonded abrasive process, the particles are held together within a matrix, and their combined shape determines the geometry of the finished workpiece. Bonded abrasive process includes grinding, honing, super finishing, tape finishing, abrasive belt machining, abrasive sawing, diamond wire cutting, wire saw, sanding. While with the loose abrasive process, there is no structure connecting the grains. They may be applied without lubrication as a dry powder, or they may be mixed with a lubricant to form a slurry. Since the grains can move independently, they must be forced into the workpiece with another object, like a polishing cloth or a lapping plate. Loose abrasive processes are polishing, lapping, abrasive flow machining or AFM, hydroerosive grinding, water jet cutting, abrasive blasting, and mass finishing. Using abrasive tools is also hazardous. It could be due to toxic materials inhalation. Abrasive material and the surface being worked on may contain toxic materials like lead paint, silica that are hazardous to workers. For instance, silica sand or crystalline can cause silicosis, lung cancer, and breathing problems in exposed workers. Touching the wheels is also a hazard. An accidental touch of the wheel can cause the operator serious damage, and this is down to the power of the machine. Tools that are designed to cut and grind will cause significant damage if they come into contact with the human skin. Using abrasive wheels can create sparks that are hazardous. This has the potential to lead to fires or even explosions if their surroundings are not kept clean and ventilated. Another health hazard is reduced blood circulation. The vibrations associated with abrasive wheel operation can occur when the incorrect type, size, or weight of the wheel is used with the machinery. Loose bearings are also a possible cause of this, as well as a faulty wheel design. Here are some safety precautions while using abrasive tools. Eliminate the identified hazards and substitute less hazardous material. Reduce the exposure of workers by isolation, containment, and ventilation. The use of barriers, rooms, and exhaust ventilation systems in containment structures to capture dust will be helpful. Wear personal protective equipment, or PPE, including respiratory protection, hearing protection, eye and face protection, helmet, leather gloves that protect to full forearm, and aprons or coveralls, and safety shoes or boots. Lastly, conduct training to protect workers involved in abrasive machining activities. Safety begins with the operator, but following the manufacturer's guidelines carefully and imposing best practices in health and safety management can ensure greater productivity in a safe workplace.